Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Okay, we gotta see if we can put the Jeep steering wheel on this thing.
Hey, honey.
What do you got there?
Presents?
I see that. Those look like wheels.
These are my rims.
Oh. Okay. Well, let's open them up. Let's take a look.
These are my rims.
Open them up. We'll take a look. Oh, wow.
Look at it.
Beadlock wheels.
Yep. What I want.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, excellent.
What I wanted.
Yep, those will look nice. Bell stem hole there. Backspace, yeah. Those are gonna work perfect.
Yes, they are.
Who are those from?
These are from,
Allied Wheel Corporation,
yes, Allied.
which is a division of Raceline.
Yes.
Yeah, excellent. Those will look pretty.
Yes, they will.
Steering wheel off. Go. Scuff it down, just like Robbie would. Okay, this is getting to be a mess out here. We don't need this, we don't need this. We might need some of that stuff. Now, this has got to sit down on there with a cover for this was our cover, but unfortunately it is broken in the center here where the 3 screws go. So we gotta see, this cover will work, but it's gotta sit all the way up against the face of the steering wheel here, and its hole is not big enough. So we need to cut out the center of that size of this hub. And that happens to be, well, in the weld ring, that happens to be about 2 3/4. 2 5/8 to 2 3/4. Where'd my hole saw go? Ah, there it is. And that isn't big enough. So we're gonna have to go get a 2 3/4, 2 5/8, 2 3/4 hole saw to drill that out so it'll fit down on there. Then we can screw it to the steering wheel. So, looks like we're gonna have to go to the store. Okay, we're back from the store. We got 2 5/8 and a 2 3/4. Let's see which one. Oh, I think that one will do it. That one will do it too, but I think that one's a better one. Okay, now how to center it on here. Think about that. That looks pretty centered. We'll see. See if that does it. As far as that reaches. itself. Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay. Let's drill. These 3 holes. Except they're not drilling real well. It's a small drill bit. I don't want to put too much pressure on it. You ever try and drill through chrome? It's hard. All right, we'll see.
She's on.
It's gotta come back off.
Well, I don't want you to break it.
I don't either.
Easy.
There you go. There's your steering column.
Now, how long will it take you to finish the rest of my truck so I can go play?
A long time.
You can't snap your fingers and just do it for me?
No. There you go. So yes, you gotta take the clutch master cylinder off so we can get the clutch brake pedal out.
All right.
Before we put the steering column in.
Oh, I'm gonna have to get my impact.
Okay, there we go. We got a steering column with a Jeep steering wheel. Too bad that's cracked. But it's the steering wheel that Mara likes and column the way she wants it. So we're gonna put it in the truck. Okay, hop in, see how you like it. Is that okay?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
Good.
No horn?
Well, it's not wired in yet.
Oh.
There's a lot to do before that.